Hello viewers. In this video, I will be discussing multiple choice questions. I will be giving the options and the answers just to help you in the preparation of your upcoming exams. So these MCQs are related to income from salary. First, state which of the following allowances exempt. Dearness allowance, city compensatory allowance, foreign allowance, medical allowance. The remaining three are taxable, only foreign allowances exempt. Education allowance is exempt for 1%, 4%, 3%, 2%, so it is exempt for 2%. Then a government employee received salary rupees 1,20,000, entertainment allowance rupees 10,000 during the previous year. He spent rupees 6,000 on entertainment. He is entitled to a deduction under section 16 clause 2. Rupees 10,000, rupees 6,000, rupees 5,000 or nil. So just keep in mind that the maximum amount of entertainment allowance which can be allowed as deduction as rupees 5,000. Which of the following allowance is totally exempt from income tax? Okay, so it is dearness allowance, house rent allowance, foreign allowance, none of these. So this is again foreign allowance. The maximum amount of deduction allowable under Income Tax Act for entertainment allowance to government employees is rupees 5,000. और कुछ भी ऑप्शन आपके सामने आता है तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट अलाउड एज डिडक्शन इज रुपीज 5,000. Deduction allowed from gross salary. Professional tax, entertainment tax, income tax, insurance premium. So it is professional tax under section 16 clause 3. Salary includes wages, pension, commission on sale, all of these. So it is all of these. Deduction for entertainment allowance is allowable only to government employees. Then interest credited in recognized provident fund account is exempt up to 9.5%. यहाँ पे मैं ऑप्शंस नहीं दे रही हूँ, यहाँ पे आपके सामने इट विल बी फिक्स, मतलब कुछ भी ऑप्शंस रहें तो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सो इट इज 9.5%. वैल्यू ऑफ अ हाउस owned by the employer provided to an employee in the city where the population is 12 lakh shall be. Rent free accommodation ये एक perquisite है which is taxable in case of all employees. तो उसकी वैल्यू मतलब ये perquisite की वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? So if the accommodation is owned by the employer and if the population of the city where the accommodation is given is below 25 lakhs, then the value of perquisite will be 10% of salary. Then value of the facility of gardener is taxable for specified employees only. Then cost of education for the employer is rupees 1,200 per month per child. For employee, taxable value of free education to his child shall be as per rule 3.5. It is the actual amount incurred by the employer. The actual cost to the employer shall be the value of perquisite. तो यहाँ पे 1,200 रुपये पर मंथ पर चाइल्ड एम्प्लॉयर को खर्चा आ रहा है एजुकेशन का, तो परक्विजिट की वैल्यू भी रहेगी 1,200 रुपये. Reimbursement of medical bills of private hospital is exempt up to, it is not exempt, it is fully taxable, so exempted up to nil. Okay. Then house rent allowance is fully exempted, fully taxable, then exempted to a certain limits or exempted only to government employees, so it is exempted to a certain limit. Then the house rent allowance paid to an employee residing in Agra is exempt up to the lower of the actual HRA, excess of rent paid minus 10%, excess of rent paid over 10% of salary, or 40% of salary. Now the options: 40% of salary, 50% of salary, 60% of salary, or 75% of salary. So if the house rent allowance is given to the employee for residing in any of the cities other than the 4 metros, then one of the amount to be considered is 40% of salary. If it is given in any of the 4 metros, then one of the 3 figures which have to be considered for the exempted amount of HRA, it will be 50% of salary. 4 metros means Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta and Delhi. तो यहाँ पे कौन सी जगह पे? आगरा में दिया गया है, आगरा में रहने के लिए HRA दिया गया है, तो इट विल बी 40% of salary. Means actual HRA received lower of the 3. So actual HRA received, rent paid minus 10% of salary, or 40% of salary. Whichever is less will be exempted. So I hope that along with these MCQs, few of your concepts are also cleared. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.